When I'm coming to feed my stray pagoda animal, I saw one kitten up there. Meow, 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 meow. You see there? I bring some food for him because I think maybe he doesn't, I don't know, he or she, but I think this kitten doesn't have food. Meow. Look at it. Look at it. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. She's going there. Let me go up and see. Oh, it's a bit high. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Through the food there. Oh, he ran away. I just dropped the food, so I hope the kitten will come to eat. Oh, there's so many sad things every day that I saw. That's my stray pagoda dog that I'm feeding every day. I hope the kitten will come back and eat. It's very deep. I cannot find a way to go in there because it's blocked. I don't know how the kitten survived himself there because I cannot open the door. Okay, so maybe I go back and I just drop some food there, so the kitten will come back for sure. The kitten will come back around this way, so he will come and see the food that I threw at there on the floor, so he can eat. I will come to do every day because in case that he has food. Okay, so I have to go down. We have to be careful. That's my pagoda dog that I'm feeding. I just fed them already. Yeah. Okay, he stay up there. I just seen him today. I never seen him before. That's on that building. Okay. Yeah. So okay, so for sure he has food. Okay, so I'm going to feed the other animal. Thank you.